Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reviewing measurement, more specifically, measurement involving length. Our focus questions were, what do you know about measurement? How can we all get the same measurements? What can we do? 2 weeks ago, I introduced this to you, and it was on Thursday, and we talked about how we could all get the same measurements, what we could do, and what we knew about measurement. Let's keep going. There are two systems of measurement. You have the customary system, which is what's normally used in America, which involves inches, the foot, the yard, and the mile. Our focus is going to be on the metric unit of measurement, which you will see in a lot of science textbooks and what they use in other parts of the world a lot. The millimeter, which is the smallest, like a pencil point. The centimeter, which you think of a fingernail width. The meter, like a meter stick. If you stretch your arms out from fingertip to fingertip, you can kind of think of a meter or a yard. They're very similar. And a kilometer or kilometer. That's the distance of driving, kind of like miles. So when you think of kilometers, think of miles. When you see millimeters, sometimes you'll see the abbreviation mm, period, centimeters, cm, period. Here we have millimeters that make up a centimeter. All of these little lines are millimeters. If you count them, you will see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 millimeters make up a centimeter. So, if you wanted to know how many millimeters there are, you can count each number by 10 because there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. Again, how many millimeters are in 1 centimeter? Good, 10. Again, millimeters and centimeters are both units for measuring distance. Millimeters being your smaller units. Centimeter will be the next smallest unit. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. 1,000 millimeters in a meter. Because they're so small, it takes so many of them. Find the length to the nearest millimeter. We did this 2 weeks ago. Look here. See how many millimeters there are. See if you can get the answer before I hit my button. You should remember this. There are 16 millimeters. Remember, 5, 10, that's 10, 15, and then one more made it 16. Over here, the nearest millimeter, look. If you said 24, you are correct. Let's keep going. Now we're measuring to the nearest centimeter. Thinking about your finger. The key is about 5 centimeters, and the paperclip would be closest to about 3 centimeters. Let's keep going. How many centimeters? This pink strip is 5 centimeters long. What about this one? If you were with me on Thursday, you should know that it is actually 10 centimeters long. It starts at 3, it ends at 13. 13 minus 3 is 10. Or if you count up from 3 to 13, you're going to get 10. Now, if it would have started down here, I could say my answer is 13. But it didn't. it skipped these three. Now, a meter. Light travels a distance of 1 meter. On here you see the meter stick and centimeters. How many centimeters again are there? Very good. Centimeter would be 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So this 1 meter, this chair is about 1 meter tall. Or I could say it's about 100 centimeters. Or I could say it's 1,000 millimeters too. Same thing with the length of this guitar. Sometimes you will see kilometer or kilometer spelled like this. This is the way we spell it over here in America. But over in Europe and other countries, you will see it spelled like this. Meter will be spelled like this. Again, a kilometer is used for measuring distance. Think of miles. So in review, converting units of length, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Think of miles. Here was where we had the video, and I will link this video in your Google Classroom. In review, again, a millimeter is about the thickness of a credit card, really thin. A centimeter, it says 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. The metal portion of a pencil is about 1 centimeter. A ruler is about 30 centimeters. So a ruler, you can think of the foot ruler, it would be about 30 centimeters. From the floor to a doorknob is about 1 meter. So think about the height of your door knob from the floor. That's about 1 meter. And a kilometer, most major roads are at least 1 kilometer long, or many kilometers. We've already done this, so you're not doing this one. These are the questions we did before. So let me go back. The apple height, we should have said it was about 3 centimeters tall. A dresser is about 90 centimeters tall. Remember, it's almost the height from the floor to a doorknob. The flagpole is about 9 meters tall. The dog would be about 60 centimeters tall. Wouldn't be 4 meters, that would be a tall dog. 2 meters would be a tall dog. And 10 centimeters is just not big enough. Tree height would be about 5 meters tall. And a bandage, we said, will be about 9 centimeters long. I think that's it, guys. Bye-bye.